Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here, midday market review. What a day! What a day we are having. Bears are in full control. Bulls are nowhere to be seen. Who's with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Hi Nissim, hi Leah, thank you very much for joining this live. If you watched the pre-market preparation, you know this trend line, and we said we are short in the premium room until we will hit this purple trend line, and here we are, we hit this purple trend line. Now we sit on lines and we see and wait. Let's see where market will take us. We can take Fibonacci, swing high, swing low. Now all we have to do is wait to see if the 42.94 will break to the upside, or are we continuing to slide towards the 42.44 on the SPY 65. If you are new here, you know that if you don't know why I use the 65 minutes, 6 candles of 65 minutes gives us a full daily candle, as opposed to 1 hour candles. The last candle is always only 30 minutes, so I prefer to use the 65 minutes. It's much more accurate for me, as I found it. Now, this purple trend line also on the 65, sliding down. Doji in previous candle now only started, 43 minutes to go on this candle. 426.60 is holding. Below it, we're heading towards this purple trend line, sliding down. Bears are here until proven otherwise. Don't fight the trend. Tesla, we have here. Nvidia, we took short just below this 424 area in the premium room, and we are still short with our risk management now is just above the break-even point, so we cannot lose. Tesla broke above this purple trend line, but now looks like it's heading south towards the 2244.90 for this retesting of this purple trend line, breaking down and under back to the 241. Amazon, also a nice short idea in the premium room. We took short just below here, the 128.60. We are still short. Let's see, we are waiting for a break below the 126.83, and then we are heading towards the 123.74. Apple, once again, another short idea in the premium room. We took just here 173.90. We are still short. We are waiting for a break and slight continuation on this purple trend line. And this is, we also took long on Tesla, but we just closed this long because this long is not working. So we don't need to wait for the stop loss that we put over here at the 244.74. We don't need to wait for the stop loss to hit, because we can understand that for now Tesla is also retracing back, so no need to fight the trend. The overall sentiment, bears are here. Oil, let's see, continuation above the 90.60, and then we are heading towards the 92.40 above it. And as you can see, Fibonacci gives us everything that you need, everything that we need. We can take also Fibonacci from here because this is our recent low, recent high, breaking above the 91 area. We are heading towards the 92.40, above 92.40, and we are heading towards 95, and then towards the 100s. Hi Micha, thank you very much for joining this live. What an honor. Bulls are here. I cannot see them. All I see, I look around, and all I see are angry bears. Hi Mickey, hi Arik, hi Yoel. Amazon just got sued for being monopoly. Good, because we are short on Amazon. So more bad news on Amazon. Good for us. Day traders in the premium room, Fibonacci Discord premium room. Hi Sneer, thank you very much for joining. And if we take a look on the daily, Tesla, as we said, this purple trend line from very strong support now become resistance. closing below the low of the day, and we are heading towards the 233.70, and then closing this gap at a 218. SPY on the daily going down for now 1.2%, 427. This neckline broke. Now we are heading towards this gap at the 423, and we said last Wednesday, once this purple trend line got broken to the downside, we said that with high probability we're heading towards this gap over here, and here we are on the way for this gap, which is also the 421 area, is also the 618 Fibonacci. QQQ still holding the 355. We do have here double top over here. We have also double top on the monthly, and if this double top will validate a weekly close below the 345.54, sorry, we are heading towards the 333. Apple on the daily 2% today to the downside, breaking below the 174, heading towards the 170, below the 170, and we are heading to close this gap. And it looks like many gaps to the downside are heading to get filled before end of September. Already Q4 is coming. Are you ready for Q4? What is your special preparations? What are you doing to be prepared for Q4? What were your plans for 2023? What were your goals? Did you hit your goals or still not? Now it's time to start prepare for 2024. Fear and greed. 28. Are we seeing blood yet? Not yet. Not yet. My dear friend, we will see blood below 167. We will see blood towards, we can go to the monthly. Check the monthly, clean the chart, no need anything. We don't need even this, need this. We are on August lows, still with an inside candle, which is not bad, not so bad news, but below August lows, we are heading towards 137. 147 and then 136. I lost his WhatsApp number for Mr. Buffett. What is Oxy doing? On the monthly, nothing much. As we can see, since all this year, moving sideways, monthly close above 67, and it's going towards the 77, 87, 100 area. What else do we have? Any other questions? Any requests? Any special requests about technical analysis? Hi, Ron. Thank you very much for joining. About the psychology behind trading. Don't forget, it's all about the psychology behind trading. And here we are starting to bounce back off this purple trend line. Still early. This candle just opened. Let's see. Always be prepared for both sides because no one knows what will happen next. Amazon still holding. Now we are getting some kind of a bounce on Nvidia also. Not surprising because we had an uptrend retracement. 618 area is holding. Below this 420, we're heading back to 417, 416, and then we also have a broadening formation on a higher time frame. Broadening formation, if you don't know, is the true and the only formation, the only true formation for price action. All other patterns are not relevant. This is the only true pattern that works. Below 416, we are heading towards this yellow trend line to the downside. What else? IOL, BX, let's check BX. I assume you're checking for swing trading. Overall, if you can see, since May, we have an uptrend. Also, these trend lines over here, holding from here to here. It's only an area. It's never an accurate price. like this. Now retracing back towards where? No need to guess. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and there you have it. All the levels to the downside, in my opinion, towards the 103. Look for a trend reversal at the 103. If not, look for a trend reversal over here at the 98, 99 area. If you are long already, if it was me, and it's only my opinion, never follow blindly my opinion or my advice, because it's not advice, it's for educational purposes only. If you are already long on BX, this is the time to take your money and walk away. But it's only me. It's your money. Do your own due diligence. Short is good. If it closes below the 108 and it looks like it's going below the 108, you're good to go short. Use Fibonacci levels, use the ATR. If you don't know how to use the ATR, check the Fibonacci playlist, the Fibonacci Academy playlist. We have 25 videos. One video is how to use properly ATR as your risk management. CF, I don't know, I don't remember when I put all these lines, but they are working. Look at this, 87.80, tough resistance, not surprising. Doji off this 88. Now going back below this purple trend line, holding the higher lows, seeing the higher highs since March. Every time price got rejected. So let's see where this is going. For now, if you're not long yet, it's not the time to go long. Short below 84.40 towards this 80 area. If you're already long, start taking money home. Start managing your stop loss much more tight. What else do we have? Thank you very much, Joel. This is why we do these lives, to get better traders each and every day. If you want, check the links in the description below. Fibonacci traders we have, and we say we, I mean me. Fibonacci traders, it's me. If you take the 60-minute crash course just to make small adjustment to your strategies, or if you want to become a successful trader, take your trading journey to the highest level, we have the one-on-one mentorship program. We have the online course. Basically, it's the same course as the one-on-one. Lifetime access guaranteed for support, guidance, all Discord channels. Support from me, not anyone else. Guidance from me, not anyone else. Until you will become your own indicator. And of course, both programs are available in English and in Hebrew. VRX, very nice, from my top stocks to watch. If you did not see it, you're more than welcome to see it. All this area, tough resistance since April 2023. If you want to go long, I would wait for a weekly close above 23 or even above 23.80. If you're a pattern seeker, you can see some kind of a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but you can also see cup and handle. You can also see flag. So this is why I say do not follow patterns. Patterns are not reliable. All you need is follow the trend. This is why you have trend lines. Above 23, and we are heading towards this purple trend line at around 26 area. This is why we use trend lines. They give us the road for future price action together with Fibonacci levels. Of course, we can use the Fibonacci levels together with the ATR to manage our risk, to manage our position size, to manage our take profit and everything. Long continuation above 23, in my opinion, towards this upper purple trend line. All the rest of the indicators, from my experience, are pure lagging. none of them shows us where price might be heading next. What else do we have? Higher on. So let's see what futures and the 65 for now. Price action, as we can see, very tight price action, nothing much. We can start take long day trading above 427.80 towards the 428.77. Short continuation below 426.57. Technical question: how many stocks do you monitor, look at simultaneously while day trading? First, I have this in front of me. This is the screen I have in front of me all the time. Futures 2 hours or 4 hours. Futures 15 minutes. SPY 65. SPY 15. I have here AMD, Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla. Sometimes I check and I don't check. I switch between here Amazon and Microsoft. Here I have, here needs to be Microsoft now. I have it also here, so here should be Shopify. Shopify, Microsoft, Google, and Apple. That's it. All the big ones. Sometimes I switch between Shopify and Netflix also. And that's it. These are my stocks for day trading. 1, 2, 3, 8. And then we have SPY. It's enough. It's more than enough. No need else. Nothing else. No need scanners. No need Twitter. No need nothing. Just focus on a bunch of stocks. You don't even need 8. Focus on 2, 3 stocks. SPY. You can go also to the QQQs. You have here the 65. 15 minutes, and that's it. This is all you need. Nothing else. Any other questions? Any other requests? If not, so I want to thank you everyone for joining this live. I hope you found it helpful, educational. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It takes only 1 second and it will be much appreciated. So once again, thank you very much. And until the next video, trade safe.